So we need y equals mx plus b. So what do I need to find? What's m?
M equals y. Oh.
So first of all, what is m?
Slope.
And what is b?
Y equals m.
Alright, so how do I find the slope?
Or you m equals y squared.
Y2
y1
minus y1
over x2 minus x2.
Alright, so what do I end up with?
Negative 4 minus 0.
We're looking at the y's.
2 minus 0.
2 minus 0.
0 minus.
0 minus negative.
0 minus a negative 4. So what do I get?
You get a negative 2 over 4.
2 minus 0. Positive 2 over 4, which reduces to 1 half. So this is my slope, right? Alright, so how do I find the y-intercept?
The line that's intercepting the y.
Alright, so where does it intercept the y-axis?
2.
At 2, so what's my equation?
M equals 1 half x. I mean
y equals
1 half x
plus 2. Alright, everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, pass them up. And go ahead and take out paper for notes. And the word we're going to define today is prove. I gave you a nice short word today. So like yesterday, come up with sentences that define the word prove. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so what could I say for P? What could I say for P? Think about reasons. We have theorems, postulates, or properties. Alright, so what's a sentence I could write? Postulates are
Equal.
not equal, but are they statements, reasons? Are reasons in a proof? Or can be reasons in a proof? Alright, what about R? So reflexive property? Of equality can be a reason? Alright, what about O, or V, or E? For O, think about, let's start with order. So remember what order is?
Order the property is correct.
Right, and do you remember what that's called? A something order. Starts with an L. Logical order. Good job, James. Alright, order must be logical. Alright, how about V and E? Very important. Very important what? That's a good one. To give a reason. And then how about E? Let's see. Every statement must have a reason. Help you out with that one. Every statement must have a reason. Alright, so moving on. Alright, so again, on your homework, on the worksheet, do 1 through 8, don't do number 9. Alright, and so yesterday we left off with this one, correct? We wrote this example down? Okay. Well, we didn't do it yet, right?
No, yeah, you said.
We just wrote this down. Correct? Alright. Alright, so again, raise your hands. Who can tell me what the 5 parts of a proof are? Conte. Diagram, reason, statement, given, and proof. Everyone got it? Alright. So, current slide. So we wrote this one down. Alright, so in the diagram, Q is the midpoint of segment PR. We're going to show that PQ and QR are equal to 1/2 PR. Alright, so what was my given? What did they give me?
PQR.
Q is the midpoint of segment PR. Alright, and then what are we trying to prove? Are equal to 1/2 PR, right? Alright, everyone have that written down? You should have wrote it down yesterday. Got it? Alright, so let's go to the proof. So, which 3 steps do I have here? I've got given, diagram, and proof. So what are we missing? Statements and reasons. Alright, so here I give you the statements, and we're going to come up with reasons. Alright. So, yeah, first one's easy, right? Given. Alright, so Q is the midpoint of segment PR. That's what was given to us. Alright. PQ is equal to QR. Alright, so let's use our first statement. It says Q is the midpoint of PR. So Q is the midpoint of PR. So PQ equals QR. How do we know that? It's a definition. Well, what is this? Which is the midpoint. Oop. Oh, well, there we go. Definition of a midpoint. Alright, everyone see that though? Because Q is our midpoint, so we can say that PQ is equal to QR. Got it? Yes. Alright. Move out of your way. Alright, so Tanisha, how about number 3? PQ plus QR is equal to PR. It's a postulate. Which one is it? So PQ plus QR is equal to the whole segment PR. Anyone want to help her out? Segment addition postulate, right? There we go, segment addition postulate. Alright, and going down to the 4th step, PQ plus PQ is equal to PR. Look at our previous steps. Look at step 2, where PQ is equal to QR. And then the next step we said PQ plus QR is equal to PR. So what did we do at this step? What did we change? Yeah, we just put in PQ for QR. So
Substitute?
yeah, we substituted it in. Did everyone see that? Alright. Any questions so far? There, substitution property. Alright, the next step. 2 times PQ equals PR. Not multiplication, but it starts with a D. Did we divide? Distributive. Yeah, distributive property.
Why is it distributive?
Alright, it could be distributive, or we would also accept simplified because you're just combining these two.
Oh.
But me to show you why it's distributive?
Yeah, I understand now. PQ and then just.
Yeah. We're just combining them. Alright, so number 6, PQ equals 1/2 PR. Alfredo, how do we get that? Alright, so look at step 5. 2PQ equals PR. How do we get number 6? What do we multiply? We didn't multiply, but how do we? Yeah, what do we divide by? 2. Yeah, we divided by 2, right? So PQ equals 1/2 PR. Everyone see that? And then the final step, QR equals 1/2 PR. How do we know that? Let's jump up back up to step 2. We said that PQ equals QR. So how do we know that QR is equal to 1/2 PR? Because PQ equals QR, right? So by, starts with an S, substitution, right? Anyone have any questions about that? Are you sure? Okay. Everyone need a minute to copy that down? And then we're going to do an activity. Got it? Mm-hmm. Alright, everyone have that down? Alright, go ahead and clear your desks and we're going to do this activity. Alright, so I'm going to give each pair a set of 4 envelopes. Start with number 1. It'll say 1B, the letter. And then just start with number 1, take it out, and put the proof in order, okay? So order the the numbers are going to be on the left, and the letters are going to be the reasons on the right, okay? And just because it says number 1 doesn't mean it's the first step. I just did that so I could check them. Alright, and then raise your hand when you think you have it, and I'll combine and check it. Yep. So start with the first. Start with number 1. Who did I miss? So again, the numbers are the statements, and the letters are the reasons.
What is that? 3 letters and 3 numbers, ain't it?
Oh wait, start with number 1. This is number 4. Oh. Yeah, start with number 1. Make it. It starts easy and then gets progressively harder.
Yeah, because I'm looking like,
Yeah, which one it goes with. So match up the statements with the reasons.